This is a 44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world, and will blow your head clean off. You gotta ask yourself one question. Do I feel lucky? Well, do you, punk?
Hey, I need to know. No, no! Son of a- Hello guys. So today we are cleaning 44 Magnum Smith&Wesson Model 29. It's a revolver of Dirty Harry. Perfect, really. I love this revolver. So let's start. First, of course, our protecting towel. Let's start from both one. Shake it. We full feed the barrel. Like this. And from that side. And the wheel. Here, 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 and here. And now we are waiting. Okay guys, we waited 10 minutes, so now we remove the rest of foam with our gun cleaner. Here we need to use brush. Use gun cleaner to remove old oil. And we dry it. So we use our towel. And to the barrel, we use compressor. And this is a collector's gun, so I don't use it, I don't carry it, so I use Longterm Protector just to protect this gun for 12 till 14 months, because I will put it to the safe box and that's it. Probably maybe next year I will shoot it again from this. So we spray it with Longterm Protector everywhere. And outside, inside the barrel, we just cover it with Longterm, and that's it. And that's how we put it into safe box. Maybe I will dry it a little bit, but it should be covered with Longterm Protector just to hold 12 months in the safe box. Thank you for watching. See you.